Hello students, welcome in 12 Computer Science. This is an introduction lecture. Student, ऑलरेडी आपण लेक्चर स्टार्ट केलेले आहे, एक व्हिडिओ लेक्चर पण झालं आहे आपलं. तरी पण मी आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये तुम्हाला 12th स्टँडर्डचा सिलेबस एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल की C++ म्हणजे 11चा कोणते टॉपिक्स 12thला इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. ओके, सो टुडे आय विल फर्स्ट कन्वे यू instructions regarding 12th standard syllabus. There is no change in your syllabus for computer science. I will give you short review of computer science. Computer science is a combination of computer science 1 and computer science 2. Okay, means paper 1 of computer science 1 and paper 2 of computer science 2. Computer science 1 and computer science 2 both will give you 100 marks. Okay, 100 marks. In each part or in each paper, means CS1 computer science 1 or computer science 2, in each paper 50 marks for theory and 50 marks for practical. So total it will give you 200 marks. Okay, means for computer science 1 total marks 100 and computer science 2 total marks is 100. It is divided, means partition for theory 50 and practical 50 for each paper. Okay, understood student? Now let's see syllabus of computer science 1. Okay, syllabus of computer science 1. Let's see. Here you are having 4 chapter with weightage. First chapter is operating system, which will give you 21 marks. Weightage of this chapter is 21 marks. This is a totally theoretical chapter. Second chapter is data structure. It carries 17 marks. Okay, means total marks, weightage of this marks is 17 marks. Third chapter is C++. Third chapter is C++. This chapter, students see here, weightage of this marks is 42 or 45 marks. Means it is a maximum weightage. It is a maximum weightage. So this chapter is very important. Okay student, this chapter is very important, theory as well as practical. And last chapter is HTML. It carries 30 or 14 marks. Okay, 4 chapters in computer science paper 1. Okay, and practical exam depends on the C++ chapter or HTML chapter. Okay, so student, 11 plus 12 total C++ chapter, totally whatever taught in 11th, also on 11th syllabus as well as 12th syllabus, it next part continue in 12th standard. Okay, but some questions asked in board also depends on 11th standard syllabus, so learn it properly. Now in computer science 2, computer science paper 2, here you are having 5 chapter. Okay, in this paper 2 total chapter is 5. Now see, first chapter is introduction to microprocessor and organization of 8085 microprocessor, means 8085 microprocessor. It carries 17 or 18 marks. Means weightage of this chapter is 17 or 18 marks. Okay, Second chapter is Introduction Set of Programming of 80-85. It carries 43 or 45 marks. See here student, weightage of this chapter is maximum like C++ in paper 1. Okay, so the second chapter is based on first chapter. Okay, this is a whole programming chapter. But all basic instruction given in this first chapter. So this 2 chapter is very, very important. Okay, so total marks is, it carries maximum weightage is 43 or 45. On this chapter in board exam practical is depend. Okay, next chapter, third chapter is Introduction to Intel x86 family. It carries 7 or 8 marks, just introduction in this x86 family. Next chapter, fourth chapter is Introduction to Microcontroller. It carries 7 or 8 marks. Okay, these 2 chapters are very small, 2 pages chapter for this third or fourth chapter. Okay, maximum means lengthy chapter is this first and second chapter. And last one is networking technology. This is also theoretical chapter, all details in networking in this chapter. So it carries 17 or 18 marks. Okay, understood? For 12, computer science 1 carries 4 chapters and computer science 2 carries 5 chapters. Okay, and textbook for 12th standard, see which textbook by R.D. सुपेकर. तुम्ही 11thला घेतलेलंच असणार आहे R.D. सुपेकरांचं, पण 12thसाठी सुद्धा R.D. सुपेकरांचंच बुक घ्या. ओके, and also take TPS. Okay student, first take this textbook. आता नेक्स्ट याच्यामध्ये आपण C++ कंटिन्यू करणार आहे आणि नंतर मी एखादं लेक्चर तुम्हाला पेपर पॅटर्न किंवा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर फर्स्ट मी पेपर पॅटर्न सांगते आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण कंटिन्यू करू C++. म्हणजे 11वीचं C++ प्लस 12वीचं C++. ओके स्टुडंट, so this is the end of introduction lecture. Okay, thank you.